Why are you giving
No,
me to
no,
other
no,
people?
no, no, no. Me, I don't want. No, I don't.
Why? I'm really wanting you. My name is Tom.
Kana mazogara uyu anonzi Thomas Chizhanje chibaba and anopedza masports. Ndine video rake randaona azotosvika palevel rekusofta munhu ari kumutsvagira baby wacho. Ndopaunoona kuti kune zvimwe zvibaba cause some men vanotya kutaura ka vanotya kureva but azotosvika kutoti aiwa ini ndiri kutoda iwewe ko why uri kuda kunditsvagira vamwe iwewe uripo. So Thomas Chizhanje ane video rabuda kuTikTok kundo kwariri kutenderera too much achisofta iye musikana anoita zvekutsvagira vanhu vadiwa online kuTikTok uku anonzi miss online dating. So anga akusofta musikana iye achimutaura kuti ini ndotoda iwewe tazitoona bhebhi racho iro rakutoblasha kuratidza kuti ringe riri kunakirwa nechibaba. So muri yeZimbabwe ndisanda kuratidza ka video kacho kamukoma Thomas Chizhanje vachimirira mahuri echirume muZimbabwe. Ndokumbira kuti kana uri mutsva panapa ingogara wasubscribe then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe nema-updates andinokupai pano. Uye kana wakagarawo wakasubscribe aiwa ndongokutenda netsigiro rwamotipa. So muri yeZimbabwe musazokanganwa kulike nekushare video redu kuti ringe rinosvikawo kure. So rege ndikupei ka video kacho kamukoma Thomas Chizhanje.
Introduce yourself to the viewers. I have a lot of single ladies in the house from UK, America, Canada, Dubai, Qatar.
But why are you giving me to other
Ethiopia.
people? Why are you giving me to other people?
No. Me, I don't want. No, I don't.
Why
I don't want. No.
Why are you? Why? Give me a reason.
No.
Just one reason why.
I don't have any reason. People have choices, and I don't want you. Okay.
Ouch.
I do have my choice, my life, my choice, you know. So I don't want you, Thomas.
I'm heartbroken because I'm really wanting you. My name is Thomas. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm 40, and I want you, Mimi. So I'm gonna wait. Like you know.
Thomas?
Yes. So you know what they say.
Are you not married? 40 years old.
I'm not married.
Do you have kids? Have you ever been married before?
Yes, I've got a son. He's 14.
How old?
He's 14. 1-4.
Okay. And what do you do for a living?
I'm a sales manager at some stationery firm. I'm also
okay. People are saying you're a player. You love women in the comment section. Like a lot of people are commenting bad things about you.
No, but you can ask. They are just playing. That's how I play with people. You can check my followers. I play with them like that, but they know that it's just jokes.
How many followers do you have?
Not as
27K.
Yeah.
Too much. You have too much. Somebody saying you're a comedian. You're from Malawi.
I'm from Zimbabwe.